Welcome to a brief introduction to the upcoming seminar Digital versus Traditional Distribution in Greek Tourism, or Direct versus Indirect Marketing. My name is Harold Hafner and I will be your coach, trainer and facilitator, providing you with insights on distribution in the hospitality industry. First, let me tell you what to expect from this seminar. In the beginning, we take a look at the big picture. Distribution is not a standalone policy field, but is part of the marketing mix. Get an idea of what distribution policy means in this context. It is always a good idea to have a plan before you start to spend money. Learn how to plan your distribution mix in this section. Then let us discuss the different forms of distribution and identify those relevant to your business. Here we take a critical look at direct versus indirect distribution. Finally, let us look at what the digital world has to offer and what the future will bring. What I mean by the big picture you can see here. Does this look confusing to you? No, it is not, as it simply shows you where to allocate the distribution policy in your marketing. During our seminar, we will take a close look at the distribution policy, but must not forget that this is a part of something bigger. To start a journey, it is always advisable to have a plan. A plan in your distribution policy must include a situation analysis to understand the respective market. Then you should formulate clear objectives and a strategy on how to achieve or reach those objectives. Based on your objectives and strategies, you then formulate an activity plan and set a budget aside. Direct versus indirect is not an either-or question. It is rather to find the right form of distribution for the relevant market. Let us discuss the pros and cons of the various forms and critically evaluate them for your purpose. A decision on which form of distribution to use and with which intensity should be based on economic, control and adaptive criteria. Finally, we turn our attention to digital marketing and its application. In principle, digital distribution does not differ from traditional forms. It is the medium that makes the difference. In this section, we will explore technologies, trends, and the power of data. Digital marketing and the use of data puts a learning system in action, allowing us to improve our decision making. Now for your schedule, we will meet on March 27, 28 and 29 from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. On day 1, we will discuss distribution policy and planning. On day 2, we focus on channel design and channel management. On day 3, we deal with the digital world in distribution. For your further information, here are our contact details. We, the European Bank for Reconstruction and Development, organized the training Digital versus Traditional Tourist Distribution in Greek Tourism, Direct and Indirect Distribution, in cooperation with INSETE and with the support of the Hellenic Republic. Thank you for your attention and look forward to seeing you at the seminar.